Welcome to Archiesense. Terra Casa was designed to be a tranquil sanctuary for the Gupta family, who wanted to find peace amidst the hustle and bustle of the city. Situated in Gwalior on a 10,000 square foot plot, the property blends in with its natural surroundings, welcoming its residents with serenity through lush greenery and calming cool air. The home's design focuses on the centrally located swimming pool, providing easy access between the living area and the outdoor shower. Architectural elements such as clean lines, large windows, and skylights flood the space with natural light, creating a mood that changes with the movement of the sun. Each room has a direct view of the surrounding greenery, such as the mango trees that provide natural shade and visual beauty, adding to the serenity. Inspired by the charm of a farmhouse with a Mediterranean twist, Terra Casa brings simple luxury through the use of traditional techniques. Elements such as stone lintels, metal pillars, and lime plaster reduce environmental impact while providing natural insulation and air circulation. The kitchen, with its brick storage and wall niches, as well as the mural in the living room, reflect the character and personality of the Gupta family, combined with minimalist furniture that complements the natural aesthetic. The COVID-19 pandemic made the Gupta family aware of the lack of space and serenity in their city home. With a growing family, Terra Casa became a second home where they could get closer to nature. The home's architecture, which combines modern and sustainable techniques, such as high ceilings, natural ventilation, and shaded bamboo decks, provides thermal comfort, reduces dependence on air conditioning, and improves the microclimate around the building. Terra Casa prioritizes human and environmental well-being. The kitchen garden supports self-sufficiency, while a rainwater harvesting system helps conserve water. The use of eco-friendly materials such as reclaimed teak, bamboo, and local stone reduces the carbon footprint while minimizing environmental impact. More than just a retreat, Terra Casa is a sanctuary in harmony with nature, offering a break from the hustle and bustle of the city. Here, the family can enjoy peace, connect with nature, and create memories that will last for generations. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.